Plastic has become important in our life for a good reason. It is a lightweight, versatile, durable, and inexpensive material. It has a lower total environmental footprint than alternatives like wood, metal, glass, or anything else. If we had to replace the plastic production with functionally equivalent material, that would save a million tons of resources and carbon footprints. The problem with plastic bag is people use it just for a single use, then settles on the ground for years. Plastic that settles, including groceries bag, bottle, and temporary cutlery. Innovation have been made in various shopping centers and bookstores by charging a fee for each plastic bag needed. They also give you the option of selling reusable bags with non-plastic materials. But the next problem emerges. People often forget to bring reusable bag than they have bought. People also have to carry bigger shopping bag, even more when planning for the monthly shopping. They should prepare the bags from home, considering the groceries they might buy and bringing with them when shopping. Maybe it is a complicated. People abandon this option because of adding 500 till 1000 rupiah per plastic bag was not a burden. If reducing the use of plastic bags is really the focus, the cost of adding plastic bags must be extremely high. Or the seller only provides reusable bag. The high cost will make people commonly preparing their shopping bags. It must be done gradually. It is important to socialize so that the implementation of this regulation does not generate controversy.